What's up YouTube, welcome to my viral video. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Facebook and the Facebook Messenger. So while offline you can still receive the text and SMS from other your friends. So before that, I want to thank all of my subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. And before getting into this video, I'm going to share you that please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going in our messenger. So here I will go to my messenger, and then you can see here this profile. You can see here, click on that, and then come down. You can see here profile active. You can see here active status. So go on that and then click there, and here it shows when you are active. So now we will disable this. We are going to turn off this one. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. So if we turn this off, we can see here. Now nobody can see while you are on Facebook or not. So I hope you guys just like this video and like and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I hope I will see you in next video. Till then, have a nice day and peace.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.